Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So today I'm out at the local ski mountain and I want to do a quick video showing kind of an interesting small little problem that I think a lot of skiers run into. So I've got my skis and I've got them down and I'm ready to kind of get going, but the parking lot is kind of muddy and I don't really want to just lay my skis down in the mud because I'm gonna have to pick them up and get all gross. I don't know about you, but I was taught at a very early age, do not, lean your skis. I'm gonna try do something I told myself I'm not supposed to do, but a lot of people lean their skis up against the side of their car, then they go and they get ready, and again, this is a horrible idea because any little vibration, these skis are gonna be falling over, and then probably those edges on the skis are gonna be taking off a lot of the paint on your car as they go down. So this is probably a bad idea, so I'm not gonna lean them up. I wanna show you a very small, simple little item that I basically 3D printed, and I'll make this part available in the link to in the description of this video where you can download it. All this thing is, it's a little bit of just a ski holder. So the idea is these little tabs here I made so they fit with standard, let me see if I can do this with one hand, suction cups that you can buy. So I bought these little suction cups for, I don't know, a pack of 20 of them for like $5, and these fit into this little slot pretty easily. Again, I can't really do this with one hand too easy. I'll show you the finished product though. Basically it looks like this, right? And again, this thing is like, I think 20 cents worth of plastic, and then another 25 cents. So this is a 50-cent little part you can make yourself. And the idea with this is you come over to your car and just suction cup this thing to the side of it like such, and now you can lean your skis against that, and now you can see the edges of the skis are not contacting the paint of your car. And now if you wiggle this thing, or if there's any vibrations, the skis aren't going anywhere. So this works quite well. In fact, let me show you. I'll get all the family skis down. We'll line everybody up, and you can see that it works for a lot of skis quite nicely. All right, so here we go. 4 pairs of skis. You kind of got dad skis, mom skis, and kid skis all sitting here nice and stable on the side of the car. So I mean, for example, right, you can even pull open the side door, and if you're careful about this, bonk, right? Still enough clearance, and as you can see, rattling around is not going to make the skis fall over and scrape off all the paint on the side of your car. So there you go, a quick, simple, easy way to kind of prop up your skis as you're kind of getting ready. Again, I'll leave a link to this 3D printable part in case you want to print one yourself. And yeah, I think this is probably a great spot to leave it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to catch you at a future discussion. Talk to you later. Bye.